that didn't go as I wanted. And it's snowing now, it's a snowstorm. That's left or something like that.
Minus 17.
Hey Venus. Hi and welcome to a new video and a new adventure. I'm heading to almost the same destination that I've been in the last video, but this is going to be on the Norwegian border. So I'm starting in something called Valdalsfjell. The plan is to ski to a lake called Little Grövelsjön. And I hope that that will be a very nice view from there, from the lake. And also the plan is to fish in the lake. I'm really glad that you want to follow and hope you will enjoy the video. That didn't go as I wanted. When I came here, it's been totally white out. You can't see even 5 meters in front of you. I have to make changes. I think I will head back to Grövelsjön and I will find a place there. Wasn't my plan here. I'm actually standing at the parking space, but it's not temperature or weather to go out solo in the condition it is. I'm heading back to the Swedish border. It's not far from here, so yeah, I don't have a choice. So I can't risk getting out in this condition. So I hope that the weather is better in Grövelsjön. What can you do? See you in a while. As you can see, it's snow out here. Totally white everywhere. You can see the trees, that's it. Now I'm heading out in the darkness. I have a few Ks, I guess, until I can find a good place where I can be by myself tomorrow. Oh, it's so deep snow here over the lake where the scooters and the skiers haven't been. So I'm struggling, and you can't see anything in front of you. It's a total whiteout, and it's snowing now. It's a snowstorm. It's been a struggle to get through this very soft snow, but now I'm heading up there. I have prepped for the tent a bit with the snowshoes, and now I'm going to drag the pulk, and I'm totally exhausted. This was really heavy. I just want to take up the tent, drink water, go to bed, and it's pretty late right now. It's, let me see, yeah, it's 12:30. So it's in midnight. So yeah, I gotta go to bed. I'm going to sleep in tomorrow because I really need that. The tent is up. I have anchored it to the pulk, so the pulk can't go anywhere either. The the skis behind, and yeah, I've packed the snow around, so tomorrow I will be able to go out without sinking down. It's so deep snow, as you can see. I struggle with the pulk up for this small hill. I see you tomorrow. Bye. Good morning. Now it's 9:46. I woke up a few minutes ago. Whew, I really needed that sleep. Hopefully that will work as a fire pit. I'm going to make a fire later on. Here's my setup, the way I had it tonight, but now it's nice. I'm going to fish now. Picked up a bit. It's getting around lunchtime now. I need to make something. Haven't catched any. I had some fishing, picking on the maggots, I think, but after that nothing. And it got a bit chillier. I'm getting a bit tired. I'm tired from yesterday, and I think I need some food in me to get some more energy. So I'm going to break out now. This is already made food, so you might have seen it in other videos also. 20 hours meals, so they are only can warm them up. Really good coffee. I use Lemel. I think the company has make their coffee somewhere or buy it somewhere in northern Sweden. Now I'm boiling some snow. So beautiful. Now the sky is blue. There are some clouds, but the sun came up, shine very beautiful on the mountain on the opposite side of the lake. It takes time to boil snow. It's nice to have a big can or pot. You can boil a lot at the same time. Yeah, I'm just going to enjoy the view and stay a while here before I try to fish again. Last part of the light from the sun before it sets. It's about 50 minutes left or something like that. Yeah, it's dropped. It was plus degrees during the day, but now it's minus 3 degrees Celsius. as you can see. So it's getting colder. Now I'm waiting for coffee. I just want to have something warm inside me. No clouds, clear sky. The temperature drops. Yeah. I'm going to make a fire, grill some sausages, take out one of my sleeping bags, my down sleeping bag, and put it inside the other. I didn't sleep with that tonight because it wasn't that cold, but tonight I think it will. And if we're lucky, maybe see some stars or northern light or something. But I think it's going to be a bit colder. I feel it. I'm just drinking up and then I'm going to make some fire. I hope you have got something from this video. Just hanging with me. I'm glad that you are here and enjoying my coffee. It's always nice to be in the nature. It's totally quiet most of the time. Been some skiers, some scooters, but here I'm almost all alone. Don't struggle if you don't need to. This will burn. hunter sausage. Really good. It dropped to -5. Yeah, so it's going to get even colder, I guess. I still have the fire. Still gives a bit of warmth. And thanks for watching, if you're still with me. I'm in the tent now. Everything is prepared for the night. And yeah, it's a bit colder. It's like -6. We'll see if it goes down to -10. It got cloudy just while I was getting inside the tent, so there might not be any northern light. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Good morning. Tonight was a really cold night. I had a lot of condensation inside the tent. I haven't seen how cold yet, but I'm going to show you around inside here. So I have snow or frost on my sleeping bag, my outer sleeping bag, and all inside the tent. But I slept well. I slept until now, and it's 7:55. So you can see all the frost falling. Now it's melting inside here from the walls, and I had frost on my sleeping bag. So the condensation tonight was really bad. Beautiful morning. It's clear sky, and but you can see on everything that it's been a cold night. The cans, the pots, everything is frozen. My boots, even if I took out the sole and warmed them out, are really hard. While I'm warming up a bit, I can show you my sleeping system. At the bottom, I'm using a Alp kit cover by the feet, and that's actually to protect the sleeping bag from the frost or the moisture. As you can see, it's frost when any textile is against the tent. So I have that, and I drag that up just under my knees. And then I'm using this British military Defence 4 sleeping bag that's supposed to give around -10, but because it's really old, I don't think it does. So maybe, let's say -5, or around that temperature. And then I'm using a Payak sleeping bag inside of it. Both of these are really big. This one is a bit bigger. It's like a Defence 4 Carinthia almost. And this is, both of them are 2 meters. The comfort of the Payak down sleeping bag is around -6, I think. The comfort level is around -6 or 7, I don't remember. 9 maybe. And then inside of that I'm using a fleece liner from if it's Sea to Summit or something. It's their extreme version. And on me I only had the base layer, a merino wool base layer, thin version. So I have that on my legs, as you can see. And this I put on me right now, but I slept with this merino wool shirt. And I slept well tonight. So I think with this setup I could probably, if I put on a fleece and the fleece pants, maybe it would take me down to 25 or something. So that is how you level the sleeping bags. And on my sleeping pad I have this one, the old version of the Thermarest X-Lite. So this is the old version, so it has 3.4, I think, the R value. And underneath it I'm using a Thermarest cell foam. Both of these are wide version and the long version also. So I'm only 180, but with this setup I can put my legs on the side a bit. I can move a bit without getting the cold ground, the coldness from the ground. So it's really comfy to use these together. And together I get an R value of around 5.3 maybe, or something like that. And that is probably, for me it has worked in this condition. I slept well tonight, but it might, if it would have gone down to maybe 25 or something, then I should have used some either another pad, maybe the extreme version of these, or leveled up with another Thermarest cell foam pad, because then it would have been too cold, I think, from the ground. Or that you put something else underneath, but yeah, another pad would work as well. So that is how I slept tonight, and it works really well. Let's see what the thermometer says. Yeah, 17. Look at that, the sunrise. It's warming up everything now. Yeah, even if it's minus 17 or 16. Now when the sun comes up, the thermometer just went down to minus 10. So the sun really warms up everything. Everything is frozen. The sun will melt it a bit, warm it up. Look at that. Totally frozen, even the skis. It's been a really cold night. It's a beautiful day. I need to dry everything, pack down everything, and make some breakfast. It's 9:30. process. Melt snow. Another one. One more of these. Now the water is boiling. So need to close it. It's been boiling for almost 2 minutes now. So I'm letting it calm down a bit, and then I'm putting it in my Nalgene bottles. If there is anything on the top, like a hair or something, you just use a spoon and shovel it out like that. It could be from animals, it could be from your clothes, like the gloves, for example, because they are from wool. So I just look, and if I find something like that, a bit of, something from the forest, then I just take it out. It's not necessary, but, well, it feels better. That's clean enough. Yeah. Now we're going to put it in a while, in a few minutes, in the bottles. My friends are eating still. Different birds that come and goes. Look at that beautiful bird. Whoop. There it goes in the forest, flying away. Very beautiful guy or girl, I don't know. He's not scared of me anymore. Flying away there. Thing in the pockets. first part is done. I was camping up there on the hill. This is how deep every step is, so it's really exhausting. Now I'm on the scooter trail. I was up there. Now I'm heading that destination to the end of it. And then just drag the pulk up to the car parking also. Bit tired. It's pretty warm right about now in the sun. So I had to take off the jacket, my hat. Yeah. But it's nice. Here I don't need to use the poles. It's so packed, so I can just walk normally. Could probably walk without the snowshoes also. But this is really boring, so enjoy the view behind me for a few seconds. The front view, and then I see you at the car. I have a few Ks now. Now I'm at Grövelsjön, down at the parking lot. Going to find my car, then buy something at the mountain station, and then I'm heading home. 7-8 hours. So I just want to thank you for watching until now, and thank you for subscribing if that's so, and for liking. I really appreciate it. And if you like, there will be a new video soon. Maybe not in the mountains, but in the forest or bushcrafting or something. So thanks, have a nice day, nice week, and a nice month. See you later. Bye bye.